When you're setting up a new calendar, you're going to be presented with several different calendar types: personal booking, round robin, class booking, collective, event, and service booking. Deciding how and when to use each one of these is important. Let's take, for example, personal booking. These would be used one person, one guest. You use this when a specific individual is meeting with someone. Examples: one-on-one sales calls, private consultations, or coaching sessions. Use the personal booking. Next is round robin. This is one guest with a rotating team member. This can be used to evenly distribute bookings across a team. For example, sales teams, intake calls, support callbacks, and onboarding calls. Next is class bookings. This is one host with many attendees. You use this when a single presenter meets with a group. Examples: webinars, group trainings, workshops, and live classes. Collective booking is multiple hosts, one guest. Use when several people must attend the same meeting. Example: panel interviews, multi-stakeholder reviews, and joint strategy calls. Next is event calendars. This does not require a host. You use this for events where attendance matters, not who hosts. For example, conferences, public events, open houses, and expos. Service booking. This would be a time-based service with availability rules. Use when booking a service instead of a person. For example, service repair visits, spa appointments, in-person services, and paid consultations. Knowing these and how to use each calendar type will help you make the right decision when you set up your calendar.